Hello everyone, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to make ChatGPT write longer. So let's get started the video. Open your ChatGPT app. So at first write what you want ChatGPT to write. If you aren't satisfied with the answer, you can type again and write longer. ChatGPT will generate more data and give you more information. If you want to generate more data, you can simply just give a prompt about writing longer. This will start generating data and start writing longer. As you see, it's generating more and more data. So there you have it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.